Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to filter spam in Hotmail. First, go to the Outlook login page, click the sign in button and enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. If you've forgotten it, there's an option to recover it right there. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. On the left, you'll see your folders, inbox, sent items, drafts, and the junk email folder. Click on junk email to see messages that Outlook has automatically filtered as spam. If you find any legitimate emails in there, just select the email, right-click, and choose Move to Inbox. This makes sure you don't lose anything important. Next, you can tweak your spam filter settings. Click the gear icon in the top right, then view all Outlook settings, and go to junk email. Here, you can adjust how strict your filters are and add specific email addresses or domains to your safe senders list so they're never marked as spam. And that's it. With these steps, you can keep your inbox cleaner and make sure only the emails you want actually land there. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.